Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Debank alternative for tracking staking rewards step by step clearly. To download a Debank alternative for tracking staking rewards, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the browser's address bar, type in the URL of the Debank alternative you have chosen. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once on the homepage, look for a prominent download button or link. This is typically labeled as Download or Get Started. Click on this download button. Next, you may be prompted to select a version compatible with your operating system. Choose the appropriate version for Windows, macOS, or mobile, as necessary. After selecting your version, the download will begin automatically. If prompted, choose a location on your device to save the file. Wait for the download to complete. Once downloaded, navigate to your Downloads folder or the location where you saved the file. Double-click the downloaded file to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the application. You might need to grant permission for the installation to proceed. After the installation is complete, locate the newly installed app in your Applications folder or desktop. Open the app by double-clicking its icon. You'll likely need to create an account or log in for the first time you use the application. Follow the instructions to set up your account, entering necessary information. Once logged in, navigate to the section for tracking staking rewards. Add your crypto wallets if prompted. The app will begin syncing your data from your wallets. After syncing, you will be able to view and track your staking rewards effortlessly. Explore additional features within the application to maximize your experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.